The next step is to bring our data into AutoCAD Civil 3D. Our data has been saved as Lab5, a comma-separated values file here on the desktop. When you open AutoCAD Civil 3D, this is the view that you will see as a default view. The Home tab is available on the top bar, and on the left side of the screen is what's called a tool space. In this tool space, we will have access to points, point groups, surfaces, and many other features which we can edit from this area. First, let's create our points. Under the Create Ground Data tab, we're going to go up to Points and pull down and select this Point Creation Tools. From the Point Creation Tools, from that toolbar, we will select this last icon which says Import Points. Now we need to direct AutoCAD to where our data is located. On this green plus, we will select that and select Lab 5 and hit Open. Now AutoCAD checks that this file matches a file format that it recognizes. This green check mark indicates that that is good, but now the user must specify what the actual format of the file is. If your data has been saved in columns of East, North, and Z, or East, North, and Elevation, you would click ENZ. If your data has been saved in columns of North, East, and Elevation, you would click NEZ. If your data has been saved in format of point number, East, North, and then Elevation, you would click on PENZ, and so on. In our case, the data was saved as an East, North, and Z, or East, North, and Elevation file, so we will click ENZ. Next, I would like to add these points to a point group. So I click this box here. Now when I go to this pull down, you'll see that there are no point groups available in this document yet. So first, I must create a point group for my new points. I use this icon to the right, and then type in a name for my point group. I'm going to call it Lab 5. I hit OK, and now when I hit OK here, my points will be imported into AutoCAD in the Lab 5 point group. Once I do that, I'm going to close this toolbar. I might have expected something to appear, and actually your points are located in AutoCAD at this point. You just need to see them. So we're going to hit the zoom command and then E for extents, and then all of a sudden our points appear. So they are in AutoCAD. You'll see that they are in a 6x6 grid, but it's awfully messy and there's a lot of information attached to it. So first, before we start making anything else, we'd like to clean up this view a little bit. To do that, I'm going to go to my tool space, go into point groups, and I'm going to right click on Lab 5. There I will select the Properties tab, and I can change what the appearance of my points are. I do that here on the default point styles right here. So first, I'm going to adjust what this point style looks like. So I'm going to go to this icon here and select, and now I can change what my marker of my point looks like. I'm actually okay with it being a cross, but the cross is way too big. So I'm going to change that from 2.5 millimeter scale to 0.25. Next, I'm going to change what is displayed beside my point. Right now, the style that's been chosen by default has a point number, elevation, and description. I would like only my elevation to be shown. This is a matter of preference. Everyone will develop a style that works for them. To change what the letters look like or the numbers look like, I'm going to go to this icon here, and I'm going to change the text height because I know the text is going to be way too large. So I'm going to change it from 2.5 to 0.25. And I'm going to hit apply and OK, and then apply again and OK. And now you can see that our points are displayed with only a small X where the point is actually located, and then a small elevation just to the right of the point. At this point, we're ready to create our contour lines and our surface.